Which carpet cleaning method is best? Keeping carpets clean can be challenging due to dirt, dust, pet hair, and dander buildup over time. The three popular carpet cleaning methods are steam cleaning, dry cleaning, and shampooing. Steam cleaning uses hot water and detergent to deep clean carpets, remove dirt and allergens without harsh chemicals or scrubbing. Dry cleaning uses special detergents and requires less time for drying, but may not be effective in removing deeply embedded dirt, stains, or allergens. Shampooing involves applying a shampoo solution to carpets, then using hot water extraction to remove dirt and debris, but it takes longer to dry and is less effective at removing deeply embedded dirt and allergens. The choice of carpet cleaning method will depend on the desired results, time, and budget. Dry cleaning is a quick solution, steam cleaning provides deeper penetration, and shampooing requires more time but can provide good results. It's essential to consider personal preference and weigh each option before deciding which method is best suited for the specific needs.